Hi, my name is Kritika Kumarpan. I am a technical trainer here at Amazon Web Services. We have completed the modules for the day. Now, let's go ahead and talk about some next steps and ways you can learn more even after this. As next steps, I would invite you to choose your path. You can start building immediately by going to aws.amazon.com and create or log in to your AWS account. We'll talk about some of the ways that you can start building on AWS in a moment. Continue learning. I'll talk about some of the different tools and resources that you have to take this step further after our sessions today. And finally, if you want to demonstrate your knowledge, you can sit for an exam and potentially obtain certification in a number of different domains and areas. We'll talk about that as well. So, start building on AWS. Here are some tips that I'd like to give you for getting started. If you haven't worked with an AWS account thus far, good news, we have something called AWS Free Tier. The idea behind Free Tier is it helps you gain free hands-on experience working with some of the services we talked about today and the various different products and features. In order to create a brand new account and utilize AWS Free Tier, you can go to aws.amazon.com/free. That will detail all the free services with either a 12-month trial period or in some cases actually forever free. So take a look at that site to determine the services that you can get some hands-on experience with that won't cost you anything. What I recommend for those who are creating a brand new AWS account is to look into what are called billing alarms. This is really useful for someone who is just starting out with some of these services we talked about. You can go to the billing console in your new AWS account and actually schedule or set up an alarm that will let you know when you're spending over a certain amount. So beyond the free tier, if you decide that you want to use certain services that do incur some charge, you can monitor your cost over time using that and also get alerts. You could also use tools. We have a multitude of developer tools. You can utilize our command line interface, the SDKs, and a number of other resources there. If you go to aws.amazon.com/developer, you can see more about the tooling to start. And last, if you want real-world examples of architectures from other customers and best practices, you can utilize our quick starts. Go to aws.amazon.com/quickstart to see some real-world examples. If you want to continue your learning after this awesome day, you can learn at your own pace by going to the skillbuilder.aws site to gain more confidence and hands-on experience with AWS. We've got lots of different self-paced courses such as the AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials course. So this way, you can really take your learnings further. You can learn from AWS experts, attend classes led by qualified AWS instructors, and learn how to design, deploy, and operate highly available, cost-effective, and secure applications on AWS. We also have a number of other courses and digital content where you can learn from AWS experts and instructors like myself in the AWS Technical Essentials course. And then finally, if you want to get more hands-on, we've created what are called Ramp Up Guides. These give you a variety of different resources across a number of different domains to help you gain more real-life experience working with those different services and also get prepared to certify in different areas. Here is a quick view of what these ramp-up guides look like. These are your guides to learning the AWS Cloud. And as you will see on screen, we have a number of different domains that you can dive into, and we have lots of different resources to learn more about maybe developing on AWS, maybe within an area like databases or game tech on AWS. We talked about Internet of Things and machine learning. So if you want to learn more about that, we have ramp-up guides in each of those areas as well. For those who are looking for more information on some of the key services and want to get started, Cloud Practitioner is a really great way to understand a little bit more across the different domains we touched on today. So I highly recommend looking at the Cloud Practitioner Ramp-Up Guide to go ahead and get started. After looking at all those services and potentially sitting in another training after today, if you feel like you're ready to validate your expertise, we have AWS certifications. These are from foundational to associate to professional level, with specialty certifications as well. And a good reason to think about certifying is, it's a great way to earn recognition and visibility by demonstrating your expertise. Whether you're currently looking for a new job, or if you wish to demonstrate your expertise within your current company, certification is a great way to showcase your knowledge. If you're looking to get certified, we have self-paced labs and a number of certification resources on our website. And I'm happy to share that we have a 50% discount exam voucher for our Cloud Practitioner certification. This is available to anyone who has completed all 5 modules at this awesome day. This credential validates cloud fluency and foundational AWS knowledge. If you have an interest in pursuing a career in cloud computing, this is a great starting point. You can find out more about this offer from the handout available for download. Thank you for attending, and we really appreciate your feedback so that we can better understand the topics and services you would like to know more about. So please do take the time to fill out our survey and let us know what you think. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for joining us at Awesome Day Online Conference. We look forward to seeing you at our upcoming AWS events. Have an awesome day.